So today I'm going to show you how to do a Tillybuddy's very stretchy cast on, but left-handed. If you're looking for the right-handed version, that will be in the description below. The original creator's link will be there for you. So I'm going to grab the yarn, right? And I'm going to go over my needle from behind. Ready? We're going to come from behind and over the front. I'm going to stick it right here. Here's your here's your working yarn. This is your tail. Take your working yarn. You're going to go under, over, and you're going to pull up, come around, stick it on the needle. Let's do that again. You're going to put your needle right here. Over the needle, under. Ready? We'll try that again. Let's get a little closer. Stick your needle here. You're going to go over the top needle and around under the bottom needle, over the top of the bottom needle. Pull up that loop. Now you're going to go under, slide it onto this needle. Let's try that again. Put your needle here. Over the top of this needle, under and over here, pull up that loop, go under and onto the needle. So each time you do this movement, you're making 2 stitches. So this is great for 1x1 ribbing. It is my go-to for 1x1 ribbing because it is so stretchy and it holds itself together really well. I love this for top-down socks so much. Necks on sweaters, I love it so much. So let's do it again. See if we can get a little closer. You put your needle here. You go over the top of this needle, under and over this needle. You're going to pull up the loop, go under, slide it on your needle. Want to do it again? We'll do it one more time. Over the top of the top needle, under the bottom, over the bottom. Pull up the loop, slide under, and slide it on your needle. This is what it looks like, right? And it just makes an incredibly stretchy, elastic cast on that works so well. And to me personally, in my experience, and I've used this for years, it's been maybe 8-10 years that I've been using this. That might be an over exaggeration. I don't know. It's been at least 6 to 8 years, that's for darn sure. I use this for everything. Hats, I really use it for everything. And it really holds its shape well and it snaps back really well. Let's do it one more time nice and slow for you to see it, and then maybe we can do it real time. Over, under, over, down, slide it on the needle. Okay, now I'm going to do it at my normal pace, which you'll just see how fast you can cast on stitches with this. And that is the left-handed Tillybuddy's very stretchy cast on. If you use this, make sure you tell me how it goes for you. And I hope this is helpful for you. Happy knitting!